How to get student discount on Lenovo laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your preferred browser and then search for Lenovo student discount and open the website. Here, all you have to do is verify that you are a student by simply using your college email or your ID. As you can see, you can easily verify through your ID and get the student discount. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.